are you can page different levels individually. You can do an all call, all evac. Like if you know something's going on in the building, you want to get people out, you just hit the all evac, it's going to evac everything.
Right.
Kind of like just a general alarm on the fire alarm. Let's see, you got your stairways and elevators are broke up into two groups. I don't know if you ever use them separately, you probably just page all of them. But if you want to do just stairways or elevators or something, you got a select page button here. You hit that and then you can pick, just the elevators, the stairway.
Okay.
And it has a pre-tone.
Okay.
Here and this will change the rate of the page to go to the top. You just gotta wait for that tone.
Okay. That's just giving away every morning, the announcements coming up.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Okay.
And then when you're done paging, we obviously hit manual clear everything else so that I can go through hitting all of them individual buttons. Same with like, you do all call. That keys up all the speakers go.
Yes, sir.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. All evac. That's just gonna be a normal fire message.
Okay. Pre-recorded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing here. It should quit playing through everything when we do that.
Okay. And so you're telling me this announcement right here is everywhere except for the hallways and the elevator?
I think on all evac it does elevators.
On all
stairways,
evac it does
yeah.
everything? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then all manual clear,
Yeah,
clears
manual
everything.
clear,
Okay.
clear,
Okay.
And
All
like
right.
I said, you can do floors with them. You got the lower level all the way up to level 5.
Okay.
Like I don't know really if anybody ever need a page an individual floor.
Okay. Yeah.
When there's like a smoke, does it activate the entire building or only that floor?
Depends on what smoke. The room smoke will only evacuate that room with the audible page instead of doing general alarm. But if you get more than one in, then you get your complete evacuation.
Full building.
Now the corridors, machine rooms, anything like that, it's gonna dump the building.
How about like a smoke detector on the air handler?
That's supervisory, that won't evac.
Okay,
That's just like a single room, you just get a supervisor to be the blue screen like this fire pump loft right now.
Right.
So the only thing that's gonna do a full evacuation is the flow.
Or flow, or any corridor smoke, or manual pull station.
Corridor smoke will do a full
Yes,
evac.
corridor
Can you do
smoke
floor-
will do that.
floor above and below?
No, it does the whole building.
Okay.
Yep. The only thing it won't is the rooms, and after two, if you get 2 rooms going off simultaneously, then you're gonna be a full blown
How
evac.
about the kitchen?
Kitchen, well, the smokes are disabled in the kitchen. The only thing that works on them is the CO and the heat detectors, the thermal
Heat detectors, okay,
Yeah.
good.
So you don't have fire alarms in them.
Now, what about the elevator banks themselves? Smoke detector and an elevator bank went off.
In the shaft?
Now, in
It's
the
gonna
actual
evac the
elevator
entire building and recall whatever elevator it's associated with.
bank, so they all fall to the first floor.
Whatever elevator it is. It won't recall all of them, just whatever one that smoke covers.
River bank.
Yeah. Now, your 3 6-stop elevators all share a machine room. So if like a machine room smoke goes, all 3 of them are gonna come down.
Okay.
So if I get a water flow, will it recall the elevators? Okay.
When the alarm goes off, like if something triggers, like say it's something down here, what will it just say the number of the room, or will it say like 033 Director of Finance?
It should have your room number, plus it'll say pool, smoke, lower level or level 1,
Like
and then give
I'm
you a
just
room
trying to
number.
identify.
I had
if we need
a well, Sunday night we had a alarm going off here, and it says for water flow in 194. So it describes it. It tells you where
the
it's at and what
number,
it's for.
but not the name of the location.
No, it says I do remember what it was. Yeah. You'll learn it.
But like anybody who's reporting, like any manager on duty, like the overnight team, they'll all need to.
I can put a
We'll
list.
probably
in
need a
there.
list,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'll do that. Okay.
Yeah,
Good,
and that's
just
part
good.
of the fire life safety, so he'll make the number correlations, and we'll have a chart. So you will have to look at a chart.
Y'all wanna do some simulations?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
We can use some trouble, which that's just, normally if it won't know, we got a supervisor because of fire alarm, but it would just display this trouble right here if it was a clear panel. And then it's just your normal, probably like y'all used to, the acknowledge. trouble, self-restore. So if it clears, if it's something like a power loss, and when that power comes back on, it will restore itself. You don't have to come in and reset.
Okay, awesome.
It'll self-restore. It went away. Supervisors, you do have to reset because they latch in because of the rooms. We had supervisors.
And that's what you had on there this morning when you go here to log it?
Yeah, like,
So
well, like the
so-
fire
so-
pump one here
right.
now, if the rooms will come in like that to the suites.
Okay.
It'll have, sweet smoke, sweet whatever.
Right.
And when it clears out, smoke clears out, you actually get another supervisor instead of having it in, it'll say out.
Okay.
Then you have to reset the system to get that to clear.
Okay.
But if you don't have it out yet, it's still seeing smoke, it won't clear out.
Okay.
If you reset it, it'll come right back in.
Okay.
You wanna run ahead of the stairwell from the pull station, yeah, so we can get along. That's the smoke in. I'm not great at training for it, I'm sorry,
Oh, man, you're doing fine, it's fine. Yes, I think that's the alarm I got the other day, was that power loss in the pump room,
Yeah.
192. There you go.
Yeah,
Alright, so
see,
he
that's-
pulled the stairwell thing just now, if you look up here, shows you lower level stairwell D. So,
So the first thing you wanna do there, Kelly, is you wanna do it with knowledge of the alarm, like that.
And then your silence will stop your AVs now, if it's possible it's a real fire, you don't want.
yeah.
You wanna make sure before you sign
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
that we know that there's not a fire.
But if you accidentally silence it, or to have it or something, and you do find there's smoke, something, you can just hit the unsilence, it'll go right back in.
Can you silence the audible without silencing the strobe?
No, not here.
Strobe and roll is with the audible.
Yeah.
Or if we silence the audible, it's still making the strobes go.
Yeah. Well, you can actually make them now. You should. This is a dual channel. We should be able to make an announcement. Along with the alarm. It stops the other.
And when that ends, you can
As
speak.
soon as it's gone off, as a backup happens, then
But that tone will stop eventually, right?
No, it should be direct. Testing. 1, 2, testing.
So that'll tell you what you know.
Okay,
Somebody
so
back
it did
home.
stop the audible.
Yeah, so it got right back into it. And the pool station requires the key to fix the panel, fix the annunciator upstairs. Also is what you use to reset the pool station. I know some of the old ones use Allen wrenches and stuff, but this is just a key. If you turn it, it'll pop back up.
Okay.
But if the front cover goes above, we're not gonna go ahead and show you. If
Okay.
it goes above it, it's gonna give you a trouble.
Okay.
Cause you can take the cover off.
I wanna see that.
Did you reset that one already? The panel's still seeing as an alarm, so you reset so that light should blink red for them.
So on the 4-4, we have somebody pulled one on the 4-4 earlier.
But yeah, they're just a reset,
And we were talking about if it's too high now.
See,
Okay,
it's
yeah, I
flush,
got
but
you, I got
if you
you.
turn it all over, so it comes up, you can actually
Right.
take the cover off, and that will give
Okay.
you trouble
Okay, I got you.
on the panel for the same device.
Are any of them have the glass box?
No, they don't have it guards.
I don't know if either.
But after you turn the key and, get it back level there, you just reset the panel and it should clear. Cause dust or anything like that. You can go to the menu button here in the function keys, and we got disarm broken down, like the auto disarm. And it gives you a parts system disable trouble, the auto base, which is in the rooms. And page down, we got like elevator disarm, so we'll recall elevators if you test them, might do something.
I would still do a call and give them know I'm doing it. Just-
You wanna, cause it'll still call out, it
Okay,
just
okay,
keeps your
gotcha,
horns in
gotcha,
and hear me
gotcha.
going
Yeah,
on.
it's just for guests.
Okay.
Before I would do anything, I would always call.
Yeah,
monitor.
absolutely.
call monitor
Yeah.
and let them know what you're doing.
Yep. Okay.
But it just disarms everything,
Right.
and it gives you a trouble, so you won't forget to, leave them disarmed.
Okay.
And then, there goes there. That's a supervisor, the rooms are gonna look the same way, it's gonna come in, sweep, smoke, whatever,
Okay.
in, and you acknowledge it. And these ones that light up in here also, they do the same thing as the acknowledge, it's just soft keys, that way if you're in the menu, you don't
Right,
have to go
that's how I
all
was
the way
able
back
to
out.
silence them the other day, cause the plexiglass was a little flexible, so I could close it, push it on there.
So at what point when we're doing a fire pump testing, is that gonna trigger this fire panel in a trouble or an alarm if we're,
I think that supervisor here, I think is the way they do it at university,
okay?
because they do test them once a week or
Yes.
something on them.
Mm-hmm.
And
Is-
some
are they doing
places
that
it's
for you?
alarm, but I think here is supervisor.
Supervisor?
Yeah.
So that's still gonna call out to the fire?
Yeah, it still needs to be put,
monitoring
whoever's testing them should be calling
It's
and
gonna
putting
be,
the test.
yeah, I'll be with them, Robert, I'm gonna be with them every week, but yeah, it's gonna be through UPS.
Clear this one out.
So when you close it, I just say out,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, okay,
It's
yeah,
out. The room's gonna look the same way,
Right.
the in and the out.
okay,
If you got the out, it should just go away when you reset.
okay,
That way, if it locks in, if y'all got something comes into it, stays in, y'all come in and see what it was.
Okay.
See, put the bypass back on your menu, function key, and you just rearm whatever you disarm.
okay.
Addressable system.
Menu arm, execute. Rearm. And then, AHU,
Yeah, yeah, but,
okay,
solenoids for your
okay.
drive
All right,
system as
okay,
well.
okay.
Yeah, handle
All
elevators.
right,
This will disarm all your sprinkler devices where no flow will work or tamper.
okay,
Like if they're doing a sprinkler test, but
Right.
if they just see an area and they don't want to see it on the panel, it
Gotcha.
saves a whole lot of. Hey, I'm getting it, you good. Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Jesus.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. I also stuck, I made a little ring, it's got one of the panel keys on it,
Okay.
the T45. The Cat 30 is your terminal cans.
Okay.
For the fire alarm and the electric rooms are stacked.
right,
I did one of the access door keys and the, key switch for the test of dampers
okay,
on here, just stuck them in here for maintenance.
yeah, it's a perfect place for it,
And there's a bunch more of the keys here for the dampers, we can make them too.
okay.
But there should be a couple more, there's no panel keys. It's right there, and I can get some more in my truck up there.
Should we bring those keys
Yeah.
back over?
Yeah, all those
Yeah,
keys.
sure.
We're gonna secure those.
Well, like I said, these others are just been test switches.
Yeah.
And they won't fit in
Give me the
them.
whole back.
Okay, well, we can take these other parts from this. Trying to get you the panel keys here first, and then I'll divvy them out to whoever.
I have
There's another T45.
So all the panel keys are the same 45?
Yeah, the T45s will fit your pad panels, your main panel, your enunciator door,
Okay,
and reset your pull stations.
all right.
Full station goes to-
They're the same, that's all the same.
Yeah.
45,
Yep, the T45. Actually, all these others just do them test switches for the dampers and
I
they.
got a 45.
I'll continue to leave this one on top of panel.
Can we rip it in here?
I can't do it. This is fire stuff.
There you go.
No panel key.
But the other keys are in there right there, it's one you just showed.
Yeah, yeah, the little extra ring I put together. That way, if you ask somebody, they got the key to the access door and everything right there.
Okay.
And you test them.
Better roll with it, thank you.
Like I said, I'll continue to leave one up on top while
Yeah,
the
right,
truck's
right,
going on. Y'all can take it out when it's, or whatever y'all wanna do with it.
Sounds good.
But y'all wanna go see the enunciator, we can do the same thing. It don't look as nice, it don't have a big display, but it'll still show you what's going on. And then you still got the page knobs, we'll go up and do it all. To go over where you have your display and your knowledge. And it's got a key where you gotta turn the key to be able to, interact with it. And it just won't have your paging, and it ain't as much to run.
Right. Yeah, that's exactly, because they gotta be over here.
But it looks a little different, but it's knowledge, silence. And you got your
You
reset.
reset what windows of it. Okay. Okay.
But it only displays one thing at a
Right,
time.
right.
But you can scroll. If you get more places, you can scroll through
Okay.
everything. And
So-
pages is exactly the same.
So Kelly, he said this part right here is pretty easy to get put over there where you guys are at. So you'll see it and you'll be able to acknowledge it from there, but you won't have the pager over there. Is that
That's fine.
Okay.
I just need to hear it. So
okay?
we can
Right, right.
That's the one thing.
Okay. Oh man, that's weird. Yes, sir. So it's told me I got one supervisor, and
Yeah,
that's
that's it.
power loss.